Right. Well, sometimes, car accidents can resolve pretty easily, and I know that you're a personal injury attorney. A lot of times, 18-wheelers, we have a lot of them on I-10, but also we can get in accidents on local streets, highways. What do we need to do to protect ourselves if we're injured and we've got the insurance company calling us and wanting us to sign on that dotted line?
Well, similarly to your average car accident, 18-wheeler incidents can cause significant property damage and catastrophic personal injury claims because of their sheer size and weight. So if you find yourself involved in a car accident with an 18-wheeler, the advice is generally to get as much information as you can from the scene. The officer that investigates those things generally has a responsibility to gather a lot more information than they might normally if it were just two cars. And then the first thing to do if you're injured is probably to contact a lawyer immediately, because the trucking company is going to already have talked to their insurance carrier, and that carrier is going to start trying to get as much information about the wreck as they can, and you don't want to get too far behind. There's a lot of information you can gather, whether it has to do with the weight of the truck, the load of the truck, the certification of the driver, whether the truck itself was qualified or certified to be on the road. And that's the sort of information that the insurance company probably isn't going to just give you. So in a lot of these cases, investigators are used.
Yes.
I've heard where, situations where investigators are called the day of and actually go out to the scene to start collecting that information. And from there, you have letters that you can send, making sure that a lot of these trucks have black box devices like you'd hear about in an airplane or something like that, that record a lot of the information leading up to the accident, which can be very relevant in terms of an accident case. So get as much information as you can. The lawyers have contacts generally with investigators who can get even more information. That information is going to be critical in determining whether or not you have a claim.